A transfer PIN is a crucial security feature for your Metro by T-Mobile account. This 4 to 8-digit code acts as a protective barrier, preventing unauthorized access to your wireless service. Your transfer PIN is required whenever you want to port your number to a different carrier, transfer account ownership to someone else, or make certain sensitive account modifications. This security measure helps prevent SIM swapping and unauthorized account takeovers. Metro by T-Mobile provides 4 convenient methods to change or reset your transfer PIN. Each method offers different advantages depending on your preferences and situation. Now let's explore each method in detail, starting with the online website approach. The first method is through the Metro by T-Mobile website. You'll need to log into your account using your phone number and account PIN. The mobile app provides a similar experience with the convenience of managing your PIN directly from your smartphone. If you prefer speaking with a representative, customer service provides personalized assistance for changing your transfer PIN. Finally, you can visit any authorized Metro by T-Mobile store for in-person assistance with changing your transfer PIN. Each method offers unique advantages. Online and app methods provide 24/7 convenience, customer service offers personalized support, and store visits provide face-to-face assistance. Choose the method that works best for your needs and schedule. Metro by T-Mobile has implemented comprehensive security enhancements to protect your transfer PIN and account from unauthorized access. These modern security measures work together to create multiple layers of protection. Multi-factor authentication is now a standard security feature. This requires 2 or more verification methods before allowing access to your account or PIN changes. Biometric integration adds another layer of security through fingerprint and facial recognition. These unique biological identifiers make it nearly impossible for unauthorized users to access your account. Following security best practices is essential for protecting your transfer PIN. Use a unique PIN that differs from your account PIN and other passwords. Update it regularly every 6 to 12 months. Metro now provides real-time alerts for any transfer PIN changes and offers temporary PIN features for specific transactions. These enhancements give you immediate notification of account activity and additional control over your security. When troubleshooting transfer PIN issues, start with the most common solutions. For forgotten PINs, use account recovery through verified email or SMS. System errors often resolve by clearing your app cache or trying an alternative method. If verification fails, ensure your account information is current and matches your records. After making any changes, allow 15 to 30 minutes for system synchronization to complete. Metro has implemented advanced anti-fraud measures specifically designed to prevent SIM swapping attacks. These attacks attempt to transfer your phone number to a criminal's device to gain access to your accounts. These security enhancements have proven highly effective. Metro reports a 70% reduction in security incidents and a 65% decrease in successful SIM swapping attacks since implementing these enhanced protocols. Metro by T-Mobile's comprehensive security approach combines traditional PIN protection with modern authentication methods. By following best practices and utilizing these security features, you can protect your account from unauthorized access while maintaining convenient access to your services.